modern and modest хиджаби tutorials, әдемі оңай орамал әдістері.
Assalamualeikum. Brothers and sisters of the world and all humanity, there is a lady that we adore, the mother of believers, the special one. Oh, Aisha radiyallahu anha. Aisha radiyallahu anha. She was the wife of Muhammad, peace be upon him. We love him so much. Her amazing father was Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, known as the truthful one. Aisha radiyallahu anha. Aisha radiyallahu anha. She was the first woman scholar of our Islam. Yeah, she was amongst the greatest giver of hadith. She was a mother. Aisha radiyallahu anha. Aisha radiyallahu anha. Aisha radiyallahu anha. Aisha radiyallahu anha. She was a mother. Aisha radiyallahu anha. Aisha radiyallahu anha. Aisha radiyallahu anha. Aisha radiyallahu anha. He was the first woman scholar of our Islam. Yeah, she was amongst the greatest giver of hadith.
Видео ұнаса каналға жазылып қоңыраушаны басыңыз. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the notification bell button below. Если вам понравился видео, подпишитесь и нажмите на колокольчик.